If you see this is the description. Thanks for purchasing Panasonic. Now goes to this. Dun, dun, dun. This is the warranty card. Place it here. These 4 screws. Place it there. This is the satellite speakers. Put it there. And here is the massive subwoofer. You place it once, take it out from here. But this is the mode up, down, volume, plus max. Here is the full view of this Panasonic. Here is the USB. Move that. Then this is the back side. Here the power button and volume and aux input, power cable quality. Just slowly place here. Remove the power cable first. This is the length of the power cable. Is quite high, quite length. So it has the enough length for the power cable. Now go to the satellite speaker length. This is the cables I have received from them. Here you can look at this. I will open it and explain it. Okay. Now what is the beautiful thing? They have provided the free batteries with this remote. Some people never give a remote, but this Panasonic company is really awesome. They provide the free batteries with the remote and one RCE cable. Thanks to Panasonic. This is very simple and sleek Panasonic remote, and this is 2 ever ready batteries, come with free of cost, and one aux cable also they gave that, and another one DVD aux cable. 2x1 stereo cable. Okay, now going to open the satellite speakers. This is side left speaker, and the build quality of the speaker is really awesome. Just see the Panasonic, and the length of the cable is also much and quite enough for a 10x10 or 10x15 size room. I will open all the satellite speakers one by one, guys. Just stay tuned and watch it up. This is my first review, so if there is any problems or some disadvantages happen or any clarity is lagging in this video, please forgive that and please accept that. Okay, this is front right speaker. On the right side they give some small length wire only. This wire is not lengthy enough, so you have to place it nearby place. The first wire is almost 10 meters. Sorry, not 10 meters, almost 5 meters wire. You can look at that. I have placed the satellite speakers there, almost 15 feet. So the first side right is 5-meter wire. This is side right speaker. This also has a 15-meter wire length. I'm going to place it another room. Just to see the length of the side speakers. Okay, quite enough. Now I am going to the front. If you see, this is the front left speaker, and it has around probably 1.5 meters cable front left. Okay, now I am going to place and play the music. Let you know the quality. Thank you, guys. Inside this, 1 second, woofer box also they note it down the front right, front left, side right and side right, side left speakers names. So place the speaker wire according to that. So you see, first one is front right. Okay, second one is front left. Red color is right, and the white color is left. Place everything in that accordingly and switch on the woofer, and let's see the quality. Okay, right. I just switch on the power. Now it has the red color light. Now just switch on in the remote, and the color turned into blue. Now I am going to play some music.